Since you clicked on this video, you must want to learn how to improvise better, or maybe you're already improvising and you want to learn how to do it better, or you just feel your solos are boring and you want to make them better. So today I'm going to help you. So, why are your improvised solos boring? Maybe you play all the right notes, you play the right scales, the right key, the right everything, you're playing notes, blah, 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 but you don't have ideas. Watch my other videos on ideas. Maybe you even have great technique. You play fast, you can play things going. Problem is, even if you have great technique to play fast, your solos can still be boring. To the listener, that's boring. Today's video, I'm going to help you to not be boring. Sorry. So, I'm going to give you a very simple exercise. I don't like to call it an exercise, I call it a game. Have fun. Let's have fun. Let's have some fun today. I'm going to make a contest. Very simple. Now, one of my favorite improvisers was, rest in peace, Clark Terry. He would play along, play along. There's no way you could stop listening to Clark Terry solos. He just was having fun. He had fun. One way he had fun was he would quote other tunes inside his solo. Now, I've mentioned this before, but I haven't given you any exercises. I'm going to give you a very simple exercise on how to do this. Very simple. What you need to do, well, first, you need to like and subscribe to my channel so I can do more of these videos. But besides that, go ahead, like, click, wherever the buttons are. Click, I think it's in the corner here. Click, like, subscribe. We're going to have some fun. So what you need to do, first thing, put on one of your practice, like YouTube or wherever, find them nice blues, but whatever key you want. Next thing you need to do, you normally practice blues with that. Take a sheet of paper, any sheet of paper. Just write down any tune, song that comes into your head. I made a nice list here. I'm not going to show you. I made a list here of songs. I just came into my head. Just, okay. Blah, 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 blah. I mean, geez, it was really long. All the songs I could just sing. Like anything come to my head. Wrote them down. Next thing you need to do is very simple. Turn on the track. Make sure you record with your iPhone or Android or whatever. Just record it so you can play back for your friends and see how many songs you can fit in to the blues track. How many songs you can quote. Don't worry about playing the right notes. Don't worry about playing the right key. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about any of that crap. Just play. Just do it. Like the other videos say, just do it. Play. Have some fun. And I'm going to show you the results. I'm going to put a blues track on and play it. And I want you in the comments, listen to my track, see how many quotes I do, and you could even comment on which one's your favorite, which ones you think I do the best. So here we go. Heck, please leave a message. How many did you hear, and which ones was your favorite? Ciao.